In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a video in CapCut PC. If you recorded a clip upside down, sideways, or just at the wrong angle, don't worry. CapCut PC gives you a few very simple ways to fix it, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the 3 easiest methods. Each one is useful in a slightly different situation, so by the end, you'll know exactly which option to use depending on how much control you need. The first method is the fastest one, and it uses the one-click rotate button. Start by selecting your video clip on the timeline so CapCut knows which piece of footage you want to adjust. Then look at the toolbar directly above the timeline and find the rotate icon. Click it once and your video will turn 90 degrees. If the clip still isn't facing the right way, just keep clicking. Each click rotates it another 90 degrees until the video is right side up. This method is perfect when your footage only needs a quick quarter turn and you want the fastest possible fix. The second method gives you more precise control over the angle. First, select your clip on the timeline, then go to the top right Properties panel and open the Video section, followed by Basic. In that area, scroll until you find Rotate. Here you can type in an exact angle such as 90 degrees or 180 degrees if you want a clean, standard rotation. You can also drag the wheel to set a custom angle, which is especially helpful if you want a diagonal look or a more creative adjustment. This method is great when you want accuracy and more flexibility than the one-click button provides. The third method lets you rotate the clip directly on screen, which feels very visual and intuitive. Click your video in the main preview player canvas. Once the bounding box appears around the clip, look for the small round rotation handle. Click and drag that handle in a circular motion to spin the video visually until it looks right. This is a very handy option if you prefer adjusting by eye instead of typing numbers, especially when you're making small manual corrections. And that's it. Those are the 3 easiest ways to rotate a video in CapCut PC. Whether you want a quick one-click fix, an exact angle, or a simple on-screen adjustment, CapCut makes the process easy. Once your clip is facing the right direction, you're all set. Done.